When snow or ice melt in the high mountains, it flow down to the form rivers. बच्चे in mountains and hilly areas. See here, you have to see here na ice is there. Seeing upper side. So whenever this snow or ice is melt, okay, when it is melt, then in the high mountains and it flow downside. Okay, when it is melt, then it become a downside and that form a rivers. Such rivers are called snowed rivers or perennial rivers. Why it is called a snowed and perennial rivers? Because this river is made from icy. It's from ice. So that's why it is called snowed rivers, snow-fed rivers and perennial rivers. It's the another name of snow-fed rivers. So they carry plenty of water throughout the year. They carry plenty of water throughout the year. Plenty means that carry a lot of water throughout all over the years. And Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra are snow-fed rivers. These are the example of snow-fed rivers. Okay, these rivers are made from snow or ice melting water. So they flow from the Himalayas. So these are the example of snow-fed rivers. See here, snow-fed rivers is given. Rivers that carry only rainwater are called rain-fed river. Which carry snow, that is snow-fed, and which carry only rainwater, that is called rain-fed river. So they have a lot of water during the rainy season but almost dry up during summers. Bachche, firstly we read about this na, in the summer season dry up the pond, read we that pond. Okay, so here also if there is no rain coming, then the area which having a rain which having a filled with rainy season, in rainy season, so that areas are dry up na without rain. So whenever there is a lot of rain, then that rivers are filled, otherwise that dry up. So the example of the rain-fed rivers which have Kaveri, Krishna and Godavari are the example of the rain-fed rivers in the India. Oceans and seas are very large body. Now firstly we read about pond, that is a very small body. After that we read about lake, that is bigger than pond. Now we read about oceans and seas, which are very large body of the water. So they contain salty water. From the starting we read about this na, that we can't drink water of seas and oceans. Why? Because it contain a salty water. So a sea is smaller than a ocean. So which is the biggest body of the water? That is ocean. But sea is smaller than ocean. There are many seas on the earth. There are many seas. So do you know Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Antarctic are the only 5 oceans in the world. But there are many seas. Only 5 oceans is present in the world. Here written the name of 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Antarctic are the 5 oceans in the world. Now dams, reservoirs and canals. Dams are walls built across river that block or control the flow of water. Why dams are made? To control the flow of water. That's why they are making dams. From dams, water is collected in artificial lake are called reservoirs. Now, behind the dam, they make an artificial lake in the form of reservoirs. It is released when the level of water in the river decreases. the flow of water released whenever the level of water is decreases in the river. So it is also used for various other things like generating electricity. Now electricity is produced from dams. Canals are dug as channels to send water from river or reservoirs to agriculture areas for irrigation. बच्चे, you have to see na canals in your villages having canals, or why we dug that? Dug, it means making a big hole and we put soil inside from it and make a canals. So we are using canals as a channel. It means as a source to send water from river. From river we carry water in canals and reservoirs to agriculture area for irrigation. For irrigation we are using canals water. It is not safe to drink water directly from natural sources. It is not directly used for drinking. Why? Because it is it having a many germs, it having a many gases, different things having. So first is rain water cannot be consumed as it has many dissolved gases, dust particles and germs in it. So rainwater cannot be consumed directly. We not drink rainy water. Why? Because it having a gases, dust particles and having a germs in it. That's why we are not drinking as directly. Water body like lakes, rivers and ponds are polluted by garbage disposal. Now bache, we read about water bodies like a lake, like a river, like a pond. So these are in which water is filled inside these water bodies, that we also not directly use for drinking. Why? Because these water bodies are polluted by a different garbage disposals. So washing and bathing also. Factories release toxic waste into them and people's defecate and urinate in them. Urinate, it means discharge their urine inside these water bodies. So that's why the water is not used as directly, because it is very much polluted. Sea water is not fit for drinking because it is salty. Firstly we read about it that this sea water is not fit for drinking. Why? Because it contains many salt in it. So rivers that flow down mountain carry mud and other waste along with them. Now river water, why not we drink? Because it contain whenever flow from upside, okay, from the mountain, and it carry mud, too much mud inside it, and other waste is along with them. So hence we cannot drink water directly from them. So that's why we are not use that water as drinking directly.